If you want to update GOG Galaxy, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Keeping GOG Galaxy updated is important because it helps make sure you have the latest features, better performance, and bug fixes. And if your client is already up to date, I'll show you how to confirm that too. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer and make sure you're on the main client screen. In the top left corner, look for the small cogwheel icon. That is the settings button, and that's where you'll find the update option. Click the cogwheel icon to open the settings menu. Once the menu opens, look for the option that says check for updates. Click on that, and GOG Galaxy will immediately scan to see whether a newer version is available. This is the fastest way to check if your client needs an update, and you do not need to manually download anything from the website. If an update is available, you'll see an Update Now button. Simply click Update Now and let the client begin the update process. Depending on your connection speed and the size of the update, it may take a moment to finish. It's a good idea to let the client complete the update without closing it, so everything installs properly. After the update finishes, GOG Galaxy may restart automatically, or it may ask you to reopen it. Once it comes back on, you'll be running the newest version available. This means you're ready to continue using the client with the latest improvements. Now, if you click check for updates and no update option appears, that usually means you are already on the latest version. So if you don't see update now, there's nothing else you need to do. Your GOG Galaxy client is fully updated and ready to use. That's all there is to it. Updating GOG Galaxy is simple, and checking from the settings menu only takes a moment. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.